Hey my cookies, today I'll be showing you how I make caramel apple egg rolls. Really easy and delicious. Let's do it. Here I have one 21-ounce can of caramel apple pie filling. It's really easy to find, got it from Walmart. I'm going to add some cinnamon to it as well as some brown sugar. Give it a little stir to mix well, and we're going to set that aside. Here I have some very softened cream cheese. Then I'm going to add some granulated sugar, some pure vanilla extract, and my cream cheese was so soft that I was able to just whisk it together. And that's the filling, guys. So now you want to grab your egg roll wrappers, and I spoon about 3 slices of apples into the center of the wrapper, and then I top it with a dollop of the cream cheese mixture. And my OG cookies know that your girl is horrible at folding egg rolls, wrapping. See, I call it folding. You're supposed to wrap them. See, I don't even know what's up, but I get it done. The filling stayed in, and it was all good. Just wrap it to the best of your ability, child, and seal it with some water. Recipe is so easy. The video is going so fast. I don't even have much to talk about. What y'all doing? Y'all all right? Good. All right, so continue rolling until you have all of your filling wrapped up in these egg roll wrappers. You should have about 10 to 12 depending on how many apples are in your can. In a shallow dish, I have some granulated sugar and cinnamon. We'll use that in a minute. But now we want to fry our egg rolls. I'm using a deep fryer. The heat is set to 350 degrees. But you can also do this in a skillet or a pan on the stove, up to you. It only takes about 2 to 3 minutes, and when they're golden brown like this, they're all ready to go. Go ahead and drain them on a wired rack. But don't let them cool off too much because we need to dredge them in that cinnamon and sugar. Now I need you to look at your neighbor and tell your neighbor, we ain't done, because I ain't do nothing but heat up some cream cheese frosting. I already have that tutorial on the channel. I'll link it below. I just heated it in the microwave for like a hot 8 seconds and then drizzled it all over these things. Yes, God. The recipe link is down there in the description box. Thank you so very much for watching my cookies. Oh, my mom told me to tell y'all, make sure you eat this with ice cream because it's the truth. Trust my mama. All right, I'm about to try it right now. I gotta eat. Until next time, be blessed.